Hello dear student, up to class 6 on chapter number 3 pair of linear equation in two variables we have done graphical methods. Today we will learn a new method for solving pair of linear equation in pair of linear equation in two variable. So first method is a graphical method and the second method substitution method. Let's start example number 7. The equation is given 7x minus 15y is equal to 20, equation number 1, and second equation is x plus 2y is equal to 3. These two equations are given. Solve the equation by substitution methods. So first check which type of solutions are possible here. So already I taught you, first find the ratio of coefficient. So the ratio of coefficient is 7 by 1, 15 by 2, minus 15 by 2 and 23 by 3. So does not equality is there. So there are intersecting lines. There are intersecting because two lines are there are intersecting lines. There is only one solutions. Okay, so in every case you have to check which type of solutions you will get. So my ratio of coefficient is 7 by 1 does not equal to minus 15 by 2 does not equal to 20 by 3. So there are intersecting lines. If I represent these two equation on the graph paper, I will get intersecting line. If the two lines are intersecting, means there is only a one solutions. Now let's start the solution of these two equations by the substitution method. Substitution method is very easy. 7x minus 15y is equal to 20, equation number 1. X plus 2y is equal to 3 is equation number 2. Now in substitution method, first you have to find the value of any variable. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4 variable in two equations. So you have to find the value of any variables, and which is convenient, which variable is convenient. The coefficient is 1 is a very convenient. So in these equations I will find the value of this x. So what is the value of x? This 2y goes to right side is become negative. So x is equal to 3 minus 2y. This called equation number 3. Always you have a two equations. So find out the value of any variable and you have a four options. This x, y in first equation, this x and y in second equation. So you can find the four different values. See, if I want to find this value of this x, I got 7x 20 plus 15y and x is equal to 20 plus 15y by 7. This one is my first option, and second one I want to find this y. So minus 15y is equal to 20 minus 7y. Minus 15 goes to in denominator. You get y is equal to 20 minus 7 by minus 15. In this x already I find it, and if I find the 2y, the value of y in second equations, I get 2y is equal to 3 minus x. So y is equal to 3x by 2. You have four options. Options number 1, options number 2, options number 3 and options number 4. In every case you have four options, but see, if the coefficient is 1, the form of the equation is a very easy, because in denominator is 1. In another case, in denominator 7 minus 15 and 2, in that case the calculation is quite difficult. That's why I take this, that's why I find the value of this x. Okay, so erase it. Now let's start the substitution method. Substitutions: find the value of any variable and putting the another equation. So my second step is x is equal to 3 minus 2y, put in equation number 1. So I get 7, x is equal to 3 minus 2y, bracket over, minus 15y is equal to 20. And one more important thing, if you find the x from the second equation, so you cannot put x is equal to 3 minus 2y in equation number 2, otherwise you will get 2, 3, not a 2, you will get 3 is equal to 3. Variable is eliminated, so you cannot find the value of variables. So if you find the value of x from equation 2, this equation put in another. Okay, so I find the value of x from equation number 2. So the value of x put in equation number 1. Okay, so in this example, first I find the value of x. X is equal to 3, 2y goes to right side, is become negative 2y. I got the value of x. The value of x put in the equation number 1. I got 7 bracket 3 minus 2y minus 15 is equal to 20. 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14y minus 15y now is equal to 20. Minus plus 14 plus 20 goes to right side, is become negative, and minus 14 minus 15, so I think minus 29y, minus plus 15 plus 14 is minus 29, 21 goes to that side, 20 minus 21, so I got minus 29 is equal to minus 1, minus 29y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1 upon minus 29, minus and minus cancel, 1 upon 29. My answer is 1 upon 29. Okay, let's check once again. Okay, so I got y is equal to 1 upon 29 and y is equal to 1 upon 29. Put in equation number 3. You get y is equal to, now you have another 3 choice. You can y is equal to 1 upon 29, put in 1, 2 and 3, but the 3 is the easiest way. So y is equal to 1 upon 29, put in equation number 3. You get x is equal to 3 bracket 2 upon 29. Okay, 3 2 ones are 2 upon 29, so 29 into 3, 9 3s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 7 8, 87. So 87 minus 2 upon 29, so I got 85 upon 29. So my x is equal to 89 upon 29. 87 minus 2 is 85. Sorry, I got the value of x. Let's see the once again. The two equations is given. First check which type of solution is possible in given equations. So here intersecting lines, there is only one solutions. So x and y, the two equations are given. Find the value of any variables. So I find the value of this x. I got x is equal to 3 minus 2y. Putting into another equations. So it's called the substitution method. Substitution means find the value of any variable and putting the another equations. That's the substitution method. Okay, and we put x is equal to 3 minus 2y and solve. I got the value of y, and y is equal to, putting in equation number 3, I got value of x. So my solution is equal to x is equal to 85 upon 29 and y is equal to 1 upon 29. So here the first sum is over. And see, in example number 7, the equation is 7x minus 15 is equal to 20 is equal to 12. By the mistake I take 20. So this sum do yourself again, same way, but just don't take a 20, take a 2, and I think you can do. It's very easy. Now let's do the another sums. In exercise number, not exercise, example number 8, the first equation is s minus 70 plus 42 is equal to 0. S minus 3t is equal to 0. But see again, see both the equations are not in the same form. So this is my equation 1 and this one is my equation 2. 6 goes to left side, it's become negative, then both the equation in the same form. So 42 is equal to 0, this one is first. And the second equation, s minus 3t minus 6 is equal to 0, this is equation number 2. So here don't call 1 and 2, okay. Now first check which type of solution is possible here. So 1 upon 1 minus 7 by minus 3, 42 upon 6. So minus and minus cancel. 6 sevens are 42, means there's not equality is there. So intersecting lines. Here both the lines are intersecting lines, and you get one solution. If the lines are parallel or lines are coincident, both the case, in case of coincident there are infinite solutions, so you can't solve the equations. If the lines are parallel, means there is no solution, so your sum is over here in case of infinite solution, and in case of no solutions the sum is over here. If the one solution is possible, then and then you can solve the equations by any methods. We have already learned two methods, the graphical methods, and the second one is the substitution methods. So let's start. There is one solution, so s minus 70 plus 42 is equal to 0. And second equation, 3t minus 6 is equal to 0. And I want to solve this equation by the substitution method. What is the substitution method? Find the value of variables. So you can choose any one. Again, I choose this s in second equation. So I get both the terms are goes to right side is become positive. So s is equal to 3t plus 6. I got equation number 3. S is equal to 3t plus 6. Put in equation number 1. I got 3t plus 6 minus 70 plus 42 is equal to 0. Now see, 3t and 70 are like term, plus minus minus, 7 minus 3 is 4t, and bigger number signs. So my answer is minus 4t plus 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 48 is equal to 0, plus 80 plus 48 goes to right side, it's become negative, t goes to in denominator, I got 48 minus 48 upon minus 4, minus and minus cancel, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, t is equal to 12, and t is equal to 12 in put in equation number 3, t is equal to 12 put in equation number 3, so s is equal to 3 bracket 12 plus 6, 12 threes are 36 plus 6, my answer is 42. The value of s is 42, value of t is 12. So here my sum is over. Now let's do the another two sums. Why is this coming from the society? So they close the window and then again I will continue. So the two sums are over. Example number 7, example number 8. Okay guys. Now example number 9. The equation is given 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. Equation number 1. 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. Okay, here first find the ratio. 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 9 by 18. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 9 2s are 18. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means equality is there. So in this case, coincident lines. Coincident lines, infinite solutions. And my experience is many students, without checking which type of solutions are possible here and start a sum. If they start a sum, what is the problem? Let's see. If I not checking this one and start the example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9, equation number 1. 4x plus 6y is equal to 18, equation number 2. Find the value of any coefficient, any variables, not a coefficient. So here the easiest is this x. Okay, so here I find the value of x. The value of x is equal to 2x is equal to 9 minus 3y. X is equal to 9 minus 3y by 2. This is called equation number 3, and 3 put in equation number 2. X is equal to 9 minus 3y by 2 put in equation number 2. So 4 bracket 9 minus 3y by 2 plus 6y is equal to 18. So here 2 2s are 4. So 2 bracket 9 minus 3y plus 6y is equal to 18. 9 2s are 18. 3 2s are 6y plus 6y is equal to 18. Minus and plus 6y cancel. 18 is equal to 18. So here see, 18 is equal to 18, equality is there, eliminated the variables, so I cannot find the value of x and y. So the solution is either infinite or there is no solution. In that case, you cannot find the solutions. Okay. Now, okay, so in exam, if they ask solve this equation, so you should do up to here. Infinite solutions means you cannot find the solutions. More than one solutions, you can't find the solution by any method, substitution, eliminations. We will learn more. Many other two methods are there, elimination methods and cross multiplication methods. But in this video we are focusing on the substitution methods. So your example number 3 is over here. Okay, don't do further. If now let's start example number 10. Example number 10, the equation is x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now let's find the ratio of 1 by 2, 2 by 4, minus 4 by minus 12. 1 by 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So equality is there, does not equality. In this case, lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. There is no solution. Okay, you can't find. Do yourself value, find the value of any variables and putting the in a in second equation. You getting the equality and eliminate the variable. You can't find the value of x and y. Okay, so here your example 10 is over. Now let's start exercise 3.3. In exercise 3.3, the first sum and the third sum do yourself. These and these do yourself, and I will give the hint in second. So first s minus t is equal to 3. This is equation is okay, but the second equation is c. S upon 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. So here the two fractions are given. When the two fraction is given, always remember this sign, product of diagonal. So 2s, whatever the sign is given, put as it is. Again the product of diagonal 3t. Now product of numerator, 3 2s are 6. You getting the simple equations. So 2s, not a 25, 2s plus 3t, 6 goes to here. So 2s plus 3t is equal to 6 6 are 36. This is equation number 2, sorry, and this one is equation number 1. So you can find the value of s. S is equal to, in from first equation, s minus t is equal to 3. S is equal to 3 plus t. Minus t goes to right side, is become plus. So s is equal to 3 plus t. Now you can put in the second equation. You getting the value of s, and value of you get, if you putting s is equal to 3 plus t in equation number 2, you getting the value of t, and value of t putting in equation 3, you getting the value of s. Whatever we did in the previous 4 examples. So this is also do yourself. This is for you, okay? And I think you can solve. Now let's start example number 4. Example number 4. 4 is also a simple, but I will do whole the sum. Okay. Fourth one, exercise number 3.5. 0.2x 0.3y is equal to 1.3. And the second equation is 0.4 plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So can I write 2x by 10, 3y by 10, 13 by 10. If you don't know how to come at this 10, I can't do anything. You go to the temples and do some bhajans and all the things, okay? You should know at least 0.2 means 2 by 10. After decimal there is only one digit, means 2. Like if your term is like that, so 0.23. After decimal there is 2 digit, so 23 by 100. That is the simple mathematics, okay? Already you know. So here in 10 is 10 in denominator every step, so you can eliminate this one. 2x plus, you get 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Equation number 1. Similarly here 4 by 10 x is there, 0.4 plus 5 by 10, 23 by 10. So 4x by 10 plus 5y by 10 is equal to 23 by 10. You get 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. Equation number 2. Now you can find value of, I want to solve this two equation by substitution method. So I want to find the value of any variables. So four options are there, but the simplest and the smallest coefficient is here. So I will find the value of x in first equation. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. X is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. Okay, this and this terms relation is plus, so plus goes to that side, is become negative, and the relation is into, so it goes into the denominator. You getting x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. This is your equation number 3. Now the value of x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. Put in equation number 2. Okay, you get 4 bracket 13 minus 3y by 2 plus 5y is equal to 23. 2 2s are 4. 2 bracket 13 minus 3y plus 5y is equal to 23. 13 2s are 26. 3 2s are 6y plus 5y is equal to 23. Now 26 goes to right side of equal to, so minus 6 plus y is minus y. 23 minus 26 minus y is equal to minus 3. Minus and minus both sides are cancelled. Y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Put in equation number 3. So x is equal to 13, 3. Y is equal to putting 3 upon 2. So 13, 3 3s are 9 upon 2. 13 minus 9, 4 by 2. X is equal to 2. So my solution x and y is equal to 2 and 3. Now, okay, here I think sum is over, and my request is in exercise 3.1 and 3.2 you have many equations. You should find the solutions with help of the substitutions methods. So in mathematics a lot of practice is required. So in exercise 3.1 and 3.2 many equations are there, and many equations are not solved in the graphically methods. If the x and y is larger, you cannot represent on the graph. In that case the substitution methods are very easy, and these the graphical methods is another part, and these are the algebraic methods. Okay, just do the calculations and do the getting the solutions. So here I stop here. Here your lecture on the substitution method is over. I hope you are enjoying my class, you understand the class. So like this video, share with your friends. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.